Organising the NSG requires a lot of coordination with the different parties. We have actually NSG officers to help us book the venue, making sure that all the facilities is arranged properly, okay, for this championship. We work with the different schools who send in supporters to support their athletes. So to make sure that we meet the SMM number, we actually have to make sure supporters vacate the venue before the next set of supporters arrive. We have to make sure that there's MC, likewise all the officials who are supporting here, taking care of all the players.
I think I'm very happy to see all the students being down to cheer, because I think when we finally can start cheering for semis, we are very eager to send people down to cheer. I think the ones to really thank is all the councils for putting the effort. Right, they actually thought of how to cheer. Right, when they went for semis, they started observing and they started learning. Right, and now they can lead.
As we support the team, we actually have the advanced party who comes here early to set up the banners, as you can see. Then the second batch of students that come will bring all the clappers, the drums and the flags, and we'll distribute it to the students.
So I feel that it is a very positive thing for the students, okay? Because their friends get to see them in action. What they usually see is just the classroom side of them. So I think it's important to see the friends showcasing different talents. It really gives everyone a sense of pride within the school because of the cheers and the supports for our school students. Then it really gave the team the additional drive and motivation to play better and to overcome the difficulties on court.
I think the fact that we had the spectators here as well to come and support us is a very good thing. And you can really feel how much they enjoyed the game as well and how much they supported us. So we are really thankful for that as well.
I think for the past 2 years, the team actually trained very hard and couldn't have a chance to compete with other schools. So very glad that today we're able to attend this match, and we have been waiting for 2 years.
We're here to support our son, Caleb Tang from Hwa Chong, to be able to gather together with his friends, to hear the whistle and to hear the cheers and your heart beating faster and celebrating, and together with him, it's a different experience and we really cherish it. Yeah.
Actually, they get to bond with their classmates, right? They get to get a very unique experience in supporting their friends. That experience will carry them through, right, in their life. It will create a memorable time for them in school.